So I got the modern ceramic lamp now in this video. I'm going to show you how to get this thing assembled and then what they look like when they're set up. So I got the pack of two. I got already one put together, but now this one I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on how to get this thing assembled so you know exactly what to expect when your lamp arrives. Here's what you get. So you get the lamp itself, lamp shade, and then you're going to get this, which is going to go inside the lamp shade. So I'm going to bring the camera around here so I can show you how to get these installed, but it's super, super easy and no tools are needed. Okay, so the lampshade itself is going to be Velcro here, so I just like to Velcro them first. Now at this point, we're just going to put the circular one on the bottom, and how you do that is very, very easy. So just going to put it inside. There's going to be clips that go through here, and all you're going to do is just push these down. So just pop this one into place, and we'll go around, we'll pop all the other ones into place. And now that we got the bottom ring in there, we do the same thing on the top. So this is just hooking it into place, and you're going to be good to go. So I had the whole lampshade assembled here, and I don't know, it took me a couple of minutes. Very, very easy. Just pop them into place here. We got one more on this side. There you go. Now the lampshade is fully assembled for you. Now we can move to the top of the lamp. So this is super easy. They do give you a light bulb, so you don't need to have one of your own. And they are pretty light too. I've demoed a bunch of different products, and sometimes the light bulbs you get are like super dim. They're pretty worthless, but this one actually is pretty bright. And I'll show you that here in a second. And we'll just put our top on here. So all you're going to do is put it into one side here, and then you just want to squeeze it with your hands and bring it around. And now that'll pop into place too. Bring those down. Now at this point, the final piece is just putting on the lampshades. Just unscrew this little ball up top. Now that we've done that, we can put our lampshade over the top. And there you go. Just like that, this whole thing is assembled and ready to use. And here's what that finished product looks like. So like I was telling you before, that light bulb is super bright, which I do love. And I do like the ceramic kind of body of this lamp. So I mean, for the price, you get two of them, and you actually get a little bit of detail to them, so they do look like they are a little more luxury. And obviously, what you paid, you don't have to tell anybody that they're super affordable. But I'm super happy with these. I just need some lamps in my house. These are easy to assemble, look amazing, and you get two of them. So checked every box for me. Give them two thumbs up.